Dehydration. That term usually conjures up negative images of being outdoors on a hot summer day or athletes struggling through a long workout. Dehydration in the context of food, and especially vegetables, is a great thing, however. Dehydrating vegetables not only increases their shelf life, but also reduces the storage space at the same time, making them ideal for using later during cold winter months. But you are probably wondering if dehydrated veggies are as nutritious as their fresh or frozen cousins. The good news is that with the exception of a few nutrients, dehydrated vegetables retain nearly all their nutritional characteristics. Dehydrated potatoes in particular are a great source of carbohydrates, the nutrient our body depends on for a majority of its energy needs. They are also naturally free of fat, sodium, and cholesterol. Dehydrated potatoes can also be a good source of fiber and potassium. When it comes to eating your dehydrated veggies, they are just as tasty by themselves as a crispy snack or reconstituted in your favorite soup. So the next time you have some extra veggies laying around, don't be afraid to dehydrate them because you won't be missing out on all their nutritional goodness.